Right, so with all these items now, we want to make them available in the world. The easiest way to do this is through loot tables. So we're going to add a bunch of items here. We're just going to set them all to 10% chance. Alright, so adding sword, a bow, chest plate, helmet. Actually, we don't need to, we won't do the loot, we'll do just like the crafting items. And potions and that. Oops. Like so. There we are, and set that to 100 for now. And we'll go to our enemies and we'll say each time we loot, we can loot like a bunch of items. But then you can also go to your player and add starting items. So add a bunch of those. Give him like 5 health potions, 5 mana potions. Give him the audio book, picture book, and book. And now if we hit, if we start from the intro scene, so we can get those starting items, since we've changed our character's data. You can check our inventory and there's our potions. And our book. So if you right click the audiobook, sorry, if we left click the audiobook, that actually plays that sound there on the bottom. You can customize that UI if you want to. If we open the normal book, you can read some stuff. And if you open the picture book, you see a picture. And there's a sword that we added into the world, which does 1 damage, not a lot. Actually doing more damage right now, unarmed. So you might want to change those values around, you know, depending on how you want to customize your game. So maybe your sword does 25 to 50 damage. But bear in mind, you need to respawn that to the player for them to get that. The current sword they have saved might have the low damage. So make sure you get these values right before you start releasing your game, obviously. Because when you update them here, they don't update the save data.